India's grape production is under threat. The country's grape capital, Nashik, is grappling with a deepening crisis, one that could significantly dent overall yields this season. Climate change is affecting rain patterns in India's western Ghats, resulting in losses for grape farmers.
Once known for its thriving vineyards and sweet harvests, the heart of India's grape production is facing a crisis. Nashik, the city which produces majority of India's grapes, is facing a 50% decline in the output. Yields have gone down across key growing belts.
50% ग्रेप्स का खेती एकदम डैमेज हो गया है और कई किसानों ने और हमने भी कई सारे गार्डन जमीन से उखाड़ दिए, काट दिए।
Grape farmers are being crushed by unseasonal rains and massive crop failure. This has caused damage to vineyards, forcing farmers to unleash goats in farms that once promised a profitable harvest. The sharp fall in production will also bring down India's overseas grape exports, as Nashik supplies a major share of export grapefruit to Europe, Russia and West Asian markets. Farmers say rising costs and mounting losses are pushing them under financial stress, while repeated climate shocks threaten Nashik's position in the global grape market. This is a major blow for a region. Small and marginal farmers are the worst hit, many of whom depend solely on grape income to repay loans.
इस साल तो 6 महीने से बारिश हुआ, इसलिए अंगूर भी नहीं तैयार हुआ और जो तैयार हुआ वो 2 एकड़ में खाली 20 क्विंटल निकला। यहाँ से तो 2 एकड़ में 5 लाख रुपया खर्चा कर दिया है। अभी ये कैसा करेंगे? बैंक का कर्ज 35-40 लाख रुपया हमारा है, वो कैसा फेड लेंगे? क्योंकि बैंक वाले तो कोई रोक नहीं सकता। सरकार ने इसकी शिकायत लेना चाहिए, वो पूरा कर्जा माफ होना चाहिए, यही हमारा कहना है।
According to official data, in the 2023-2024 season, Nashik exported 1.57 lakh tons of grapes. Nearly 1.18 lakh tons of this were exported to Europe, while about 39,000 tons went to non-European destinations. Farmer associations say that lower grape output in Nashik sharply reduces export grade supply, causing missed shipments during India's key December-April export window. Inconsistent volumes erode overseas buyer confidence, raise costs, cut profits and push buyers toward rival countries.
एक्सपोर्टर ने जो भी ऑर्डर लिया हुआ है उधर का, यूके का हो और किसी कंट्री का हो, वो नहीं दे पाएंगे उतना माल और वो नहीं दे पाएंगे। इधर इंडिया में भी लोग सबको अंगूर मिलेगा ऐसी पोजीशन नहीं है और मिलेगा भी तो भी 1.5 गुना रेट, लेकिन 1.5 गुना रेट होने से भी किसान का कुछ होता नहीं है।
Nashik grapes have always been considered unique. The region's dry climate, cool nights and well-drained soil gives the grapes high sweetness, firm texture and long shelf life.
Exporters warn that reduced availability and quality issues could affect and impact the overseas shipments in the coming weeks, potentially hurting India's presence in key international markets. Growers are therefore demanding immediate government support in the form of compensation, crop insurance and urgent assessment of losses. As the situation unfolds, farmers are hoping for swift intervention which can help to limit the damage as well as provide stability in the domestic and export commitments. With video journalist Siddesh, this is Disha reporting here for WION World is One from Nasik, Maharashtra.